Good morning, and welcome to Holy Days and Sacred Ways. Today, June 29th, the Church celebrates the Solemnity of Saints Peter and Paul, two pillars of the early Church, two radically different men, united by one faith and one mission. Peter was the fisherman, simple, impulsive, strong-willed, the one who stepped out of the boat, but also the one who denied Christ 3 times. Paul was the scholar, brilliant, relentless, once the Church's fiercest persecutor. One followed Jesus from the Sea of Galilee, the other met him on the road to Damascus. And yet here they are, celebrated on the same day, side by side. Not because they were flawless, but because they were faithful. Peter became the rock, the first pope, the one to whom Jesus said, "Feed my sheep." He led the Church in Rome and died crucified, upside down, because he didn't consider himself worthy to die like his Lord. Paul became the apostle to the Gentiles, the missionary who took the gospel across continents, through shipwrecks, beatings, imprisonment, and more. He was beheaded in Rome for preaching the name he once tried to erase. Together, they remind us that God does not wait for perfection. He calls us where we are and transforms us along the way. Peter's weakness became strength, Paul's hatred became love, their lives became testimony. That's why today is a solemnity, the highest kind of feast, because these men weren't just early leaders. They helped lay the foundation of the Catholic Church. One held the keys, the other carried the word. Both poured out their lives in witness to Christ. And now, 2,000 years later, their voices still echo in every homily, every Mass, every baptism and confession. We are still living in the faith they helped build. So today, let's remember what this solemnity really means, that God uses the broken, the stubborn, the unlikely. He called a fisherman and a Pharisee, and through them, he changed the world. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time on Holy Days and Sacred Ways.